Hi, this is Mark from Show Me Cables. Today we are going to show you how different coax cable burns. Each of these cables have the same signal transfer properties, but different jackets. The jacket impacts where they can be installed to meet national and local electrical codes. Here we have CL2 rated PVC coax cable and CMP or plenum rated coax cable. CL2 cables are typically used to connect equipment. They can be run in wall or 1 to 2 story applications. CMP rated cables can be installed anywhere. Notice that the plenum cables give off low smoke and the flame does not travel high vertically. This is why plenum cables can be run anywhere, including air return spaces.